I almost bought this instantly, but something felt off. So I came across this product called KDP Side Hustle Goldmine. Unlike most people, I was thinking, is this actually legit? Can this really make money, or is it just another overhyped KDP course? Because let's be real, the internet is full of fake income claims, screenshots that mean nothing, passive income, lies, and if you're watching this, you're probably tired of wasting money on things that don't work. What you really want is simple. Right Finger, a system that actually works. Right Finger, something beginner friendly. Right Finger, a real way to make money online. So I decided to break this down properly. No hype, no BS. So KDP Side Hustle Goldmine is basically a training program that teaches you how to publish books on Amazon, how to find profitable niches, and how to turn that into income. Sounds simple, but here's where things get interesting. Inside, you'll find checkmark a niche research system, checkmark book creation methods, checkmark KDP publishing steps, checkmark optimization techniques. It's designed for beginners, and it tries to simplify the whole KDP process. Let me explain it in a real-world way. Step 1. Find what people are already buying instead of guessing. You look for books that are already selling. This reduces risk a lot. Step 2. Create simple books fast. We're not talking about writing a novel. Think journals, planners, activity books, stuff people actually buy daily. Step 3. Upload to Amazon KDP. This part is straightforward, but the key is Right Finger doing it the right way, because most people mess this up. Step 4. Scale what works. This is where money happens. One book won't change your life, but 10 to 20 optimized books. That's different. Now here's my honest take after going through it. Right Finger, it's simple to follow. Right Finger, it's beginner focused. Right Finger, it avoids complicated stuff. But let me be very clear, this is not passive income on day one. You won't upload a book and wake up rich. That's not how this works. The creators are experienced in online marketing, digital product creation. They've built similar systems before. From what I found, the sales page shows success stories. Some users are seeing results, but not everyone. Important, which is normal, because success depends on right finger execution, right finger consistency. Here where this product actually helps. Checkmark gives you a clear starting point. Checkmark saves time figuring things out. Checkmark beginner friendly structure. Checkmark scalable model. Now the part most reviews won't tell you. Crossmark KDP is competitive. Crossmark results take time. Crossmark you still need effort. Crossmark not a push button system. If you expect easy money, this is not for you. The entry price is low, which makes it right finger low risk for beginners. But yes, there are upsells inside. Compared to other KDP courses, Right Finger, this is more beginner friendly. Right Finger less overwhelming. Right Finger, but not super advanced, so think of it like a starting blueprint, not mastery. This is perfect for checkmark beginners, checkmark people starting online income, checkmark anyone confused about KDP. Avoid this if crossmark you want instant results, crossmark you hate learning new skills, crossmark you already know advanced KDP. So should you buy KDP Side Hustle Goldmine? Here's the honest answer. Right Finger, it's not a scam. Right Finger, it's not magic. Right Finger, it's a beginner system. If you actually use it, it can work. If you don't, nothing will. If you want to check it out, Right Finger, I've put the link in the description. Take a look yourself, and decide if it fits your goals. Also, don't wait too long if you're interested, because launch pricing usually changes.